Hello everyone! Welcome to Kaying Technology SMP Neo series Media Player tutorial video. In this video, we will show you the way to create a multi-zone presentation by using Skin. Now we take this as an example to walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Prepare a skin. SMP players provide some built-in templates for you to use. You can also click New if you want to create your own skin. For more details about skin creation, please watch the video about Skin Editor. In this video, we will download a template from online resources. 1. Download a skin. Please click Library and go to the Skin page, and you will see the Online Resources button. Click the button and locate Template 13. Then click Download and Save to SMP, and the skin will be saved directly into this SMP player. 2. Select a skin. Now please go back to the playback page and locate the one we just downloaded. Then click the Edit button. Step 2. Configure each zone. After you click the Edit button, you will enter the Edit Skin page. There are 6 zones in this skin: Video, HTML and Flash, Ticker, Clock, and 2 image zones. Now we need to complete settings for each zone separately. 1. Video zone. SMP supports many video sources. You can play video files in SMP's media folder, streaming video from servers, live video from AV in connector, video files in a USB storage device, or central management from a CMS server. In this case, we select media files to play a video file in SMP's media folder. Click Edit Playlist and select the video files we want to play. Please note that you need to upload files to the SMP players in advance. We will introduce more details about uploading files in another video. Then click the tick button and the selected file will be listed in the table. Click Save to save the configurations. 2. HTML and Flash zone. Now let's move on to the HTML and Flash zone. SMP supports 6 HTML and Flash sources. You can show files in media folder, web pages from the remote URL, tweets from Twitter, weather information, embedded codes from other websites, or central management from a CMS server. Here we will show weather information. Click Weather and select an item from the city list. Then you can customize your own layout in the Advanced Settings area. Select the size of area. There are 3 fixed sizes of the weather information area. We suggest you create an HTML area with the same size, or the weather information will be aligned with the upper left corner. Then you can select a color, effect, unit, pause time, and icon type. After completing all settings, click Save. 3. Image zones. Now let's move on to the image zone. SMP supports 3 image sources. You can play image files in SMP's media folder, files in a USB storage device, or central management from a CMS server. For image 1, we select media files to play image files in SMP's media folder. Click Edit Playlist and select those image files we want to play. Then click the tick button and the selected file will be listed in the table. You can also choose a transition effect. After you complete all settings, click Save. For image 2, we will show a logo image stored in SMP's media folder. So please repeat the same steps we just mentioned and select the image file. 4. Ticker zone. Then let's move on to the ticker zone. SMP provides 3 ticker sources. You can enter text here directly, show a text file in media folder, or retrieve data from a remote URL or RSS. Here we choose Enter Text here and type a sentence in the text box. Then we can adjust the size and the color of the text. On the right-hand side, you can preview the colors you choose to make sure the ticker is clearly presented. After you complete all settings, click Save. 5. Clock zone. You can see a purple square in the skin. The clock zone has been set up when you create the skin, so you need to edit the clock zone in Skin Editor if you want to change it. Step 3. Start to play. Now we complete the configurations of all zones. Click Play, then the SMP player will start to play multimedia contents based on the skin and its settings. If you want to change another skin, just locate the skin and click the Play button beneath it. Then the player will apply the same multimedia settings to restart playback automatically. If you want to change each zone's configurations, you can click the icon of each zone on the upper right corner of the skin section as a shortcut without entering each skin page. The current skin will immediately apply the revised configurations after you complete the adjustment. For detailed usage of all playback functions, please refer to SMP's online help. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Kaying Technology.